Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing my best tips and ideas for keeping your swimming pool clean and crystal clear. First, make it a habit to skim the surface daily to remove leaves and debris. It only takes a few minutes, but makes a huge difference. Next, brush the walls and vacuum the floor weekly to prevent algae buildup and maintain smooth surfaces. Don't forget to test your water at least twice a week to keep chlorine, pH, and alkalinity levels balanced for safe, sparkling water. Also, clean or backwash your filter regularly to keep it running efficiently. Whenever the pool's not in use, cover it up to reduce debris and chemical loss. And here's a cool bonus. Drop a tennis ball in the skimmer to absorb oils from sunscreen and hair products. With a little consistent care, your pool will always be swim ready. If you found this helpful, give it a like, hit subscribe, and drop your favorite pool tip in the comments below.